So the case summary is banks want to add the new features on their application. And then the general results, we use Dex research that we found that the three main points that you can find in our proposal. And then the target user is everyone from 18 to 42-year-old that usually use their gadget for their daily life. And then the research implementation, we use the interview methods that we have total participant is 5% and the participant is related to our target customer. And for the duration for the interview is 25 until 30 minutes.
From our research, we found 3 points. The first one is most of our respondents said that it's hard for them to understand the flow when they use the infestation platform. They also said that the most appropriate infestation instrument for beginners are mutual funds or stocks, but it must be completed with an appropriate information also. And from the persona, we finally create this persona to represent SeaBank's user. And from the domain research, we found 3 points. The first one is we able to provide information about SeaBank's infestation product. We able to help users to choose that infestation style. And the last one is we also able to create a simple and user-friendly infestation platform.
And for our solution concept, there are 4 key features that we offer. There are trivia, product recommendation based on risk profile, gamification, user journey, or tutorial. For gamification, there are roulette games, investment quiz, shareable achievement, information summary, trivia, and user journey. Next, for the roulette game itself, the concept is that the user can spin the spin wheel for every 10 transactions, where there will be vouchers and other prizes. Next, for the quiz, there will be several questions about investment provided to increase user knowledge. Next, information summary and trivia will contain information about investments and products provided by SeaBank to increase user insight. Next, for user journeys or tutorial, the concept will be like a mission that user must complete to get points or rewards that can be redeemed into a saving balance. Furthermore, for the shareable achievement concept, users can share their achievement in SeaBank investment features to their social media. There is also an addition solution from our team. It is investment dictionary that can help beginners in knowing the vocabulary of investing. So that's all from our team Gooltique. Thank you.